I welcome you all to my new video, and in this video I am going to show you how you can add a playlist to your YouTube channel. Okay, I have already two playlists. One is for shorts and one is the how to YouTube, and I'm posting my videos in this playlist. And for my future plan, I am going to add a new playlist to my YouTube channel, and again the name is going to be YouTube, how to YouTube. And next time I'm going to do this in Urdu and Hindi. So I will name it like this, and here you can set the visibility. So for now I am going to put it as a private, and I will press this create button. So here is my new playlist. So I have already shown you at the time of upload how you can add the videos to the playlists. For example, if I'm going to upload a video, so I will select some file. Okay, and for example this video. So uh, from this option, the playlist, you can choose and select in what playlist you want to add your video. Okay, for now I have to upload this video into how to YouTube playlist, so I will select this. Okay, so that's it for this video. I will catch up with you in my next video, and if you like the video, subscribe to my channel and like all my other videos. So in my next video I will show you how you can manage this YouTube studio and all the options here, how you can check for the dashboard, how you can manage your content, your playlists, and all the analytical aspects of the channel. I'm going to show you all these in my next video, so stay tuned, take care, and bye bye.